Hey guys, here is the Hammond Multiplex Model 26. It's hard to describe in the description on how it sometimes malfunctions. It doesn't really have enough power to engage the hammer behind here completely sometimes. But I'm going to show an example of it working. You see the lettering come out pretty well. And it's when you get further down the carriage is when it seems like it doesn't have enough power. Right there. But with a little bit of a push, it seems to engage itself again. Now I'm not sure if it's just tightening the coil. I really do not want to take this machine apart. But as you can see, when it does types rather well. See if we can get a little bit of a in the area where the paint chipping is right on the back side. I don't know if it can be seen. Let's see. I'm afraid during shipping I wouldn't be surprised if more chipped off. Other than that, most of it seems pretty sound. Good luck bidding.